This is part 2 of how to make polymer clay earrings, which will review all of the steps after baking your clay pieces. This video references our comprehensive kit, which is linked in the bio below. Now that your earrings are done baking, take them out of the oven. Make sure to use an oven mitt as the tile will be hot. And oftentimes, your earrings may be a little stuck to your tile, so use your tissue blade to gently slide under the pieces and they'll pop right off. Your tissue blade will be super helpful for many things, including cleaning off your tile when you're done. Now we're going to drill our holes. If you remember the last video, one of the pairs of earrings, I pre-made the hole pre-bake using my needle tool. Now that we're post-bake, I'm going to show you how to do this using the hand drill. This is the drill included with your kit. You'll need to first insert your drill bit. To do this, twist the top part of your drill handle until the opening gets a little bit bigger. Once you can insert the drill bit into the opening, twist the opposite direction to clamp down until firm. Next, find the center of your piece, press the drill bit into the center, and twist while pushing down very firmly. Do this until you drill a hole all the way through, and repeat on all of your pieces. Now I'm going to compare the two different holes so you can see the difference. The difference is very subtle, but you'll notice that the one created with the hand drill is a bit neater than the one made with the needle tool. The reason being is that when you use the needle tool, it smooshes the clay around the hole, whereas if you use the hand drill, it drills perfectly through. Again, this difference is so minuscule though, so if you feel more comfortable using the needle tool than the hand drill, go ahead and do it that way. The next step is sanding the edges of your pieces. Included in your kit are two different grits of sandpaper, 320 and 1500. We're going to start with the 320, which is the rougher grit. We're going to use this to sand all the edges of your clay pieces. You'll take your clay piece and rub it over the sandpaper along each of the edges. You only want to sand the sides, not the front of your piece. Next, you'll take the 1500 grit sandpaper and do the same thing. This will buff it out and make it really smooth. You can see now the edges of my clay piece look super smooth. Once you finish sanding all of your clay pieces, you're ready to put your jump rings and backs on your earrings. To assemble your earrings, you'll need your pliers, Loctite super glue, jump rings, and earring posts, all of which are included in your DIY polymer clay kit. Use your pliers to open up one of the jump rings by placing it on the nose of the pliers and opening gently. Once your jump ring is open about halfway, connect the two pieces of clay through the holes that you created. Use your pliers to then close the jump ring. Do this for both pairs of earrings. Once your earrings are connected by the jump rings, you'll get your Loctite super glue. It's important that you use the Loctite brand, as I found that this is the best super glue for attaching the posts. Add a small amount to the back of your earring where you want to adhere your backs and place your backs on the earrings. Wait a few hours for your glue to fully dry, and now you're ready to wear your polymer clay earrings.